Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X8A and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's localize the build number. As you can see, it will be on the 3rd position, and all you have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we are right now in a developer mode. So we can go back to the general settings and enter system and updates, which are right above the About Phone. Now let's tap on the developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to the networking. We've got the options with for the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So quite a lot of advanced settings. If you want to turn on the option, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. And as you can see, the developer options will disappear immediately. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.